These exercises promote relaxation, so please don't listen while driving. So, if you are in a place where you can relax, let your breathing become deeper and smoother. Breathing from the belly and relax. That's it. With green grass all around you, you are a sheep, and the grass is so tasty and so good that you aren't paying attention to where the flock is grazing or where the shepherd is. You are free to go where you choose, and bit by bit and bite by bite, you follow the greenest grass. At least it appears the greenest to you. After some time passes, you look up. No sheep and no shepherd anywhere. You are lost. A human might run around and try to find the shepherd. But when sheep get lost or scared, they simply lie down. So you lie down and wait for the shepherd to find you. You do your best to communicate with the shepherd, praying, telling him you are lost, and asking him to come find you. While waiting, you breathe deeply and slowly and smoothly. 3 counts in and 5 counts out. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue at this rate or one that works for you. Relax, knowing everything will work out. The shepherd will find you. He always does, and he always will, because he misses you when you're gone. A beautiful sound comes to your ears, whistling in the distance. You are relieved. Of course he would find you. And now you can relax. He calls you by name. He knows your name. He's happy to see you. He kneels down and rubs the top of your head and behind your ears. It feels so good. He spends some time running his fingers through your wool. Picking it clean. You've gotten into some briars and he carefully cuts them free. It feels great to have the shepherd's attention. You feel his love and gentleness as he cares for you. I'm sorry, I wandered, you say. I know, he says with a smile. He looks into your eyes and says, I forgive you, as he rubs the top of your head. Then he rubs under your chin. It feels so good. Then, gently, he picks you up and sets you on his shoulders. Wow, all of your weight on him. You protest, thinking that you are too heavy or an inconvenience. But he says, I love to rescue lost sheep. I'm very strong and capable, and it makes me joyful. Indeed, there is a spring in his step as he carries you back. He begins singing a song, a sweet melody, and you can feel the vibration through you. Your head is right next to his. You can feel his beard and the skin of his face next to yours. Such a beautiful feeling, such a close feeling. It's so nice to have this time with him, this close to him. As you walk together, he strokes the top of your head. It's obvious that he really cares for you. You thought he would leave you with the flock, but he walks past the flock. He sees friends and neighbors on the way. He brags about you, telling them he has found his favorite and inviting them to come over to his house to celebrate with him. You who were lost, now found, and both he and you can relax and celebrate. You feel loved, honored, and very special to him. When you are warm and comfortable, you realize that he is very special to you.